Hey gang, Puppy here. This is what the hell's going on? What are they trying to pull? Number one. Look at this. Diamond. Green light. Strike anywhere matches. Let me let the damn dog out. Yeah, you have to do it right when I'm recording and not want to go out. Animals and children. Anyway. Diamond. Green light, strike anywhere matches. Light quickly and easily. Okay. Let's start with the strike anywhere strip. When I was a child, I asked my mom, why do strike anywhere matches need that strip on the box? Shh! Don't ask questions like that. The manufacturers will have us all killed. Half an inch. Not very energetic. Wood. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Knurled portion of the handle of my earwax spoon. Poppy's evaluation. Diamond. Green light, strike anywhere matches. Big failure. Diamond should give everyone who bought a box of this $5 damn and a notarized letter of apology.